Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts. I want to show you what you have to do to replace your Autolite 1100 one-barrel carburetor with our universal N1904 carburetor. First of all, the mounting will mount just fine. You see these holes are oblong, so they fit 2.5 or 3 inch mounting. So they'll fit the 1100 and also the 1101. Don't worry about this hole. In the 1100, the vacuum is fed from inside the bore here, so this doesn't, the gas that comes with this will be just fine. The other thing is your vacuum line for your distributor on your 1100, the size of this is a little bit bigger than what comes on this one, and you see we have this little adapter here. So you probably need some hose, some rubber vacuum line to hook this up. And let's see, the other thing is the inlet. The inlet on the 1100, as you can see, is on the end, and this one is on the side, and they look to be this. Yeah, I can't tell if they're the same size or not, but this comes with an adapter, a fitting that you can put a rubber fuel line hose to, and we do carry that. And so you will have to reroute your fuel line a little bit. That's no big deal. Your throttle here, like this one here, won't be too hard. This one here is can be adjusted 360 degrees. Just loosen up this nut and turn it to wherever you want it. So you would turn it to where this is. The choke, however, this one has a hot air choke on it, and our universal only comes with a manual choke. So if you wanted to use this, you would have to add a universal type of choke cable from the inside of the car out to here, so you can operate the choke. Should be able to find one of those somewhere. And that should now this spark valve on the 1100, it's built into these carburetors. You don't have to worry about that. That'll replace that just fine. So other than that, you should be good to go. It's going to take a little bit of work, but it can be done without any problems. Thank you for watching.